Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use data analysis in business. Data analysis is the process of inspecting, cleaning, transforming, and modeling data with the goal of discovering useful information. Its core purpose is to support informed decision-making, helping businesses understand customer behavior, market trends, and operational efficiencies. This leads to more effective strategies and a stronger competitive position. The journey of data analysis starts with defining clear objectives and collecting relevant data. Next, data cleaning and preparation are crucial, often consuming up to 80% of the total analysis time to ensure accuracy. Then, exploratory data analysis helps uncover initial patterns and relationships. Finally, modeling and interpreting the data allows us to derive actionable insights, guiding strategic business decisions effectively. Businesses leverage a variety of tools and techniques for data analysis. Common tools include spreadsheet software, business intelligence platforms like Tableau, and programming languages such as Python. Techniques span from descriptive statistics to advanced predictive modeling and machine learning algorithms. Effective data visualization, through charts and dashboards, is also vital for clearly communicating complex findings, ensuring insights are easily understood across the organization. Data analysis has profound applications across business functions. It optimizes marketing by segmenting customers, potentially increasing conversion rates by 20%. Operations benefit from improved efficiency and predictive maintenance, reducing downtime by 15%. Financial forecasting and risk assessment become more accurate, leading to better investment strategies. Ultimately, embracing data analysis fosters innovation and provides a significant competitive advantage, driving sustained growth and success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.